welcome to Nursing with Professor B. My name is Bridget. I'm a family nurse practitioner. I recently got Invisalign, and in this video I will share with you things I wish I knew before I got Invisalign. I don't have them in because I talk funny with the Invisalign on. So that's one thing I wish I knew. The other thing is you're gonna get adapters on your teeth. So it's these little, you see those there? Those little white adapters. I also have a button that they put in, and I have to put an elastic. I have to basically loop it on top of my Invisalign down here. So you can have adapters, you can even have like a metal button on there. You may have to wear elastics, which I wasn't aware I was gonna have to wear an elastic. The third thing I wish I knew before I got Invisalign is I knew my teeth were going to hurt because of the shifting, but I didn't realize how much pain I was going to be in regards to like my muscles and my jaw. So I got Invisalign because I have chronic my muscle here on this side is always, my masseter is always really, really tight and in pain. And even back here, my sternocleidomastoid always feels really tight. My bite, I felt like it was shifted. Like when I would bite down, only one side of my jaw was touching down, my right side. So I feel like it was getting a lot of pressure on this side, and maybe this is why I'm always in pain. I got Invisalign to try and fix that issue, but I've been in so much pain, and it's worse when you first start. So it's getting better, but like the first 3 or 4 weeks, oh man, I was icing it, I was heating it, like massaging it, everything under the sun. It hurt a lot. You have to wear your Invisalign braces or aligners for 22 hours out of the day. If you feel like you can't do that or you're not disciplined, then Invisalign probably wouldn't be for you. Every time that you remove them, it hurts. I didn't know that. I don't know, I've lost track. Is that 4 or 5? So I didn't realize how painful it was to take the Invisalign trays off. It hurts more at the beginning of the week. Like when you, let's say you change your trays every Saturday. So it hurts more Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then by Tuesday, Wednesday, it hurts less and less. But it really hurts when you start to take those trays off. So I try to avoid it as much as possible. I wish someone had told me don't eat a lot of crunchy food, because I've broken several of these adapters and I've had to go back in and get them re-glued. The button came off when I was eating some granola. So yeah, you should probably not eat like super crunchy foods. I'm just really glad I didn't chew this and like swallow it, because that's metal, that's not good. So I was not prepared for the amount of pain that I've been in. My jaw at first was clicking, which was scary to me. My orthodontist was like, oh no, that's not your Invisalign. But my jaw never clicked before. So I definitely think that the whole shifting and the tension was making the situation worse, but the clicking has got better. I didn't want clicking after I was done. But I have a friend that also got Invisalign, and he said that his jaw was clicking too at first. You change your trays every 1 or 2 weeks, depending on your treatment plan. I'm changing mine every week. And you just have to be very good about your teeth brushing regimen and making sure you floss and all that, because, you know, my orthodontist said that I could drink and eat with my Invisalign aligners in, but I have not done that because I'm not trying to get a cavity. I can only imagine if I drink a sugary beverage and it just sits there in the tooth with that plastic on top, I don't think that's a good idea. So even though he said that, I wouldn't do that. I have not been eating with it. I don't see how you could eat, especially me with an elastic on my tooth, like how you can eat with that. It's really annoying every time you want to eat, the fact that you have to take those things off, eat, brush your teeth, put them back on. Well, floss, brush, put them back on. Yeah, if you have any questions about like getting Invisalign or anything like that, let me know. My teeth were pretty straight to begin with. It's just that this side wasn't touching down right. It may be like 3 to 6 months, the amount of time that I have them in. I do feel less confident with them in because even though they're clear, like you're talking different, it does look funny. I don't like it, I don't know. But if it helps fix the muscle issue, then it is what it is. I wanted to share with you guys, so your orthodontist will give you trays, and this has my information on it, but like it'll be like 6, 7, 8, right? So every week you change out those trays. I have my aligners in here. They give you this little black box, and that's where this this thing comes in, and then it just is, this goes here, this is here, this is like cleaning crystals. It is expensive. My treatment is only gonna be like 3 to 6 months, and I can't remember, I think it was like $6,000. I believe that's how much it was. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching.